Mirha and Mohammed Hussein are immersed in their play, their laughter echoing through the cozy living room. The rhythmic patter of rain against the windows begins, weaving a spell of warmth and intimacy around the room. Mirha's eyes light up with childlike wonder as she exclaims, "Look, Hussein, it's raining!" Hussein's face erupts in unrestrained joy as he pleads, "Can we go outside? Let's play in the rain." The rain intensifies, drumming a lively rhythm against the glass. As the children's anticipation builds, their shared dream of playing in the rain hangs in the air, suspended between possibility and the cozy confines of their indoor haven. Their mother enters, her expression a mixture of worry and love. Clutching bright yellow raincoats and a cheerful red umbrella, she speaks with gentle urgency. "Here are your rain jackets. Don't want you catching a cold." Their father strides in behind her, a wide smile illuminating his face as he raises his phone. His eyes sparkle with playful intent as he declares, "I'll even make a video of you two." The scene radiates warmth and familial affection, a moment of everyday life captured in a loving family. The room fills with the promise of protection and the joy of shared moment. Amidst the downpour, Mirha and Hussein dance in the puddles, their laughter echoing through the rain-soaked street. Mirha shouts gleefully, "Splash! Ha ha ha!" as Hussein steps forward, declaring, "You take the umbrella, I'll protect you." Mirha, with shining eyes, proclaims, "You're my hero, Hussein Bhai." But Hussein's attention shifts as he notices the poor puppy is trembling. Moved by compassion, Mira calls out, "Mom, we need a blanket for him." Their mother appears, her heart swelling with pride as she witnesses their love. "Well done, my children. This is true love."